eliminate export bottlenecks, and strengthen Nigerian agro-export value chain by Chairman, Coordinator, Nigerian Agro-Export Setup Committee on Agro-Export. Council was called to note that the Nigerian economic diversification imperative include 80% of export revenue from crude oil, $50 billion annual agro-export potential unlocked with International Ship and Port Facility Security, ISFS, and 6 major crops including sesame, ginger, soybean, and cashew. Their prayers. Prioritize and accelerate full ISPS code compliance as a critical national economic and security objective. Take full funding responsibility for ISPS infrastructure across seaport, inland, dry port, and export corridors. Provide budgetary allocation for security system, surveillance, access, control, and agency capacity building. Approve the establishment of a dedicated National Agro-Export Board or agency. Approve, fund, and operationalize the 3 warehouses as a strategic pillar of Nigerian non-oil revenue drive. Resolution. Council directed the chairman, Nigerian Agro-Export, to set up to meet with Minister of Digital and Blue Economy, Export Promotion Council, and fine-tune the proposal for representation. I thank you.